Imagine creating a 3D full animated scene with no animation skill, no expensive software, no coding skill, but yet you still get paid for it. So, and this is what Nano Banana is doing today. So imagine looking at this animation right now using Nano Banana to get the same results. So I'm just going to be playing this video right now so that you see what animation is, and after that I'm going to be diving on how you can get this done and just with an image and put it into reality. Okay, so now let's just play this. I'm just going to allow its voice for a moment and then mute it. So, and this is what Nano Banana can give you to this same result, exact same result. Nano Banana can give you with the exact same, with a very good prompt. Once you give Nano Banana the right prompt, Nano Banana is going to be giving you this exact same result right here. Okay, so and once Nano Banana gives you that same result, you go ahead and turn it into reality from image to video, giving it a prompt that it will use to generate that particular video for you. And the most important thing and the most sweetest part of it right here is that it can give you consistent character. Okay, when making a video, it gives you consistent character. Take for an instance, this is a photo right here. You can see for the fact right here is where I generated a 3D animation photo right here. So this 3D animation photo, you can see it right here. I told Nano Banana to give me this 3D animation photo of a father and son, and this is what it gave me. So, but before that, let's just move into some channels that are into animation so that you see what these guys are making. So if you come here, you see for the father, these guys are pulling out a lot of you. You can be this person. Look at it, this particular channel right here. You see for the father, this channel has about 120k subscribers. Okay, and only has about 88 videos and 120k subscribers. Look at this. His highest video has about 13 million views, 3.1 million views. His videos are ranking on millions, and you can also get that exact same reward and also views right here and make a lot of money. Do you know how much YouTube would pay person for this 13 million views he has gotten for just this 2-minute video? Okay, so if we move down to the second person, look at this person right here. This person right here, this Animation Society had about 60 million views, a video he posted about 3 months ago, and this is 5 minutes to 6 minute video he had made. So this one about 25 million views, 17 million views, and how many videos he had? About 1.5k videos right here, and most of his videos are racking in millions. And you also can get that exact same reward with Nano Banana. Look at this particular one right here. This particular one has about 15.2 million subscribers. Okay, and the name of this channel is Video Gyan Shows. So this is a cartoon animation for kids. Okay, so and look at his video is ranking right here. He has about 211 million views, his highest video right here, and most of his videos are ranking in millions, and you can be this person as well. Okay, so there's still chance for you. So many people love animation. So right here, if we go to the start of this person, let's know how much this person make, this particular person right here. So let's go and check for his start right here on Social Blade. So his estimated earnings, so right here is his channel, and let's go down to his estimated earnings. This particular channel estimated earnings, estimated monthly earnings is ranging from $78k to $1.2 million in a month, and his yearly earnings are range from $1.1 million to $18 million yearly estimated earnings from YouTube alone. Oh my days, can you see that? And this is subscribers he normally gets in a month. In 30 days, about 200k subscribers. In 30 days, about 310 million views. Okay, you can see that this channel is making so much money right here, and you can be that person. So how do you do that? Now let's get down to it. Here you'll be doing a lot of combination. Okay, right here you can see for the fact that I use Gemini, this Gemini Pro right here. So I use Gemini Pro, so and it's free, for free. Okay, and I can also show you how to get Gemini Pro for free. So just let me know in the comment section if you want to know how to get Gemini Pro for free, and I'll make a video on that. So right here you just tell Gemini to generate. You use Nano Banana right here. So you choose Nano Banana. If you don't know how to choose Nano Banana, you come here. If I take it away, you go to tools right here and select create image with this Nano Banana icon right here. So now we say generate an image of a father and son right here. Once you give it that prompt, then he's going to give you a 3D animated image of a father and son. Okay, if you want to continue, make it a consistent character, you can also generate an image of them walking. You can see that same image, a father and son walking right here. This is consistent character for it. Now how do we put this to life? Now it has generated this particular video, this particular image. All you need to do is download it and move straight to this particular AI. This AI called, what we call this AI is from image to video, is called Halo AI. So Halo AI helps you to convert your image to a video. So right here is what he has done. So just take a look. You can see, wow, you can see he just turned that particular image to video right here. This is what Halo is doing. Now let's go. There are lots of animation I've done right here with Halo right here. You can see this is 6 seconds video, and the beauty of it is that you can combine these videos right there. Okay, you can see it. So do look at the second one right here, the second one with the prompts. Okay, this is with the prompts, and you can do all this with just your Gemini. Okay, Nano Banana Gemini right here. So now after generating this thing, then you tell this Nano Banana, this is what I thought. I want to use this picture for image to video, one for start and one for the end. Okay, on Halo AI. So generate a prompt to match the two pics in 6 seconds scene. Okay, I told it to do that, and this is the prompt it gave me. Well, I'm not comfortable with that prompt, so I told it to generate me another prompt, and this is the prompt it gave me right here. And this prompt is what I use right here on this particular AI video image to video generator. So how do you do that? First of all, this is where you are going to be uploading your image. Okay, you upload the image. This one is the start, this one is the end. So how do you want your image to be like? So this one is for the start, this one is for the end. Once you are done generating this image with Nano Banana, you come here and paste it. You either upload from your file, or if you already had an upload, these are images I uploaded. So these are generated animated images I uploaded right here. You can choose from here. So you choose from here, you choose from here. So first of all, how do you even get started with this particular AI, Halo AI? Halo, to start, is very simple. All you need to do is, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below, so go through the link in the description below and go down to it. So that's how you can get that done. Okay, use your email to sign up, and once you sign up, you get 200 free credits. Okay, so once you are being given that particular 200 credits, because that particular 200 credit is what you're going to be for the image to video, right? So after getting your animation from the Gemini using Nano Banana, so after that, you do that just as I've already said. So after doing that, the next thing is your prompts. I've already told you guys how to get your prompt. You can tell Gemini to generate that prompt for you, like I told you guys. So if Gemini generates a prompt for you, then that prompt will be able to control how this particular image is going to react to the video you want it to be like. Okay, so if you are giving it a prompt, then it will give you something cool, something that you wish for. So, and another thing is here. Okay, if you look right now, the only thing you can generate right here is 6 seconds. That is because you are using the free trial. Okay, that's because you are using the free trial. And again, if you come to here, all those models, these AI models you are seeing right here, there is no way you can use, if you this is the only one they are going to allow you to use. Okay, this is the only one they are going to allow you to use best, and it gives you the ultra clear quality. But the thing is that the volume is not going to be there because it's a free version. Okay, so for you to use this VO3 model, you have to go for the premium version, right? So now, and what marvels me here is that the premium version is not even expensive, approximately $2 to subscribe for the premium version. Boom, and you are all good to go. So let's say we hit on subscribe right now, and let's get. So right here, just look at it right now. You can see for yourself, this is the plan. So start trial and get this. Okay, you get a 400 for $1.9. If you want a higher one, you get. So this is it, 600 free agent image and video, fast track generation, only one task can run at a time, watermark remover, and you can, with this you can use the VO3 access. And right here for the free version, only thing you get is this, up to that. But if you just pay about approximately $2, you are going to be getting the View 3.1 access to generate a perfect and very fluent character anime. Okay, so that's it. And if you want to pay high, if you want about 20,000 credit, this is what you are going to be given on limited usage. Okay, so but you can start small just to see how this AI works, because one thing is that this AI is still under is still coming up with new features. Okay, it's still under upgrade, so it's not that perfect. That's one thing about AI platform that helps you to generate video like this. They are still not perfect, they are still upgrading and putting in more features. All right, so and that's how you can get it and start making quality animation videos using Nano Banana. Okay, so Nano Banana is just the best because it helps you to create consistent character. And don't worry about the size, you can give it the particular size you want. You can just get you can take this particular image to ChatGPT and tell it to make it a size of 16 ratio 9. That's for YouTube size. You can make it like that. That way it doesn't have to look this square shape, it makes it rectangular, right? So full leave here right now. Let's just take a good look at the videos I've made. Okay, so here, this one I've already showed you guys. This same one, this particular one where the father is hugging the child, and this particular one where they are working together. So all these are 6 seconds video. So and this particular one too, and same, this one I did a animation. That's the demon and the slayer. Okay, the demon slayer kind of stuff. So this is it, and you can see how cool it looks. Okay, you can see this is just an image turned to a video. So and the beauty of it is that you can just combine this stuff together and make a video out of it. Okay, so that's how it works. You can see this one for yourself. You can see I created so many right here. You can see, and once you pay without minimum, approximately $2, they are going to be adding sound to it. So this is how this particular AI works, and they are going to be removing this watermark right here. Okay, so that's how it works, and I hope this particular video is helpful. Take a look at this particular one right here. So create so many anime, kids cartoon and 3D anime and so on, and even 2D anime. So can do that for you. All right guys, see you in my next video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and don't forget to share my video. Okay, bye.